Welcome to this video introduced to you by the TIR Secretariat. In this short video, we will see how to start the first operation of a TIR transport in the country of departure. Let's start by searching for the guarantee ID provided by the driver of the TIR carnet holder. And see that we are immediately redirected to the corresponding TIR transport summary screen. In this one, we can see that this transport needs to be started locally, and that the guarantee current status is issued. You can already see some details about the transport, based on the advanced TIR data that has been received, and that is pending processing. You can see those details in the corresponding section. As well as you can see information about the guarantee, and about the TIR carnet holder. Now let's return to the operations section and see that there is one to start. Click on the available button, Start. A start wizard will open to proceed. See that before being able to start the first TIR operation, because we are the first custom office in the departing country of the transport, we have two prerequisites. First, to accept the guarantee. Second, to record the declaration. You will be reminded about this via this info message at the top and see that there are 3 steps at the top. Let's proceed now. And first, accept the guarantee. The wizard will display in the first step the guarantee details. The guarantee ID, its status, its type, the issuing date, and validity date. Information about the related TIR carnet holder, in particular its status. If everything is in order, you can click on Accept. The next step is to record the declaration. In this screen, you will be able to browse through the content of the advanced TIR data. In particular, to look at the consignment items information, and to confirm that the cargo presented to you corresponds to the data provided in the advanced TIR data. If everything is in order, scroll to the bottom and click on Record Declaration. Now the declaration has been successfully recorded and notifications have been sent to the subsequent customs authorities. Let's see now how to start the operation. The first field is the operation sequence number that is prefilled by default. It's recommended to leave it as it is precalculated for you. But you can adjust it to set it manually. The next field is the operation ID. This identifier is mandatory and is recommended to be filled by the reference ID coming from your national customs system. Next field is a custom office of departure. By default, this one is set to be your active customs office. If you wish to choose to change it, click on Choose and you can select another one. The next field is optional and allows you to set an expected end date or time for the operation. Clicking on the field to start selecting the date and time you wish to enforce. The next field is about seal check and controls. Obviously, as you are the first custom office affixing the first seals, the check will always be satisfactory in this case. Then the national itinerary field allows you to pick a specific custom office to impose an itinerary to the transport operator. If you do not wish to use this, simply leave it blank. At the bottom is a text area field, in order to record any relevant remarks, such as specific controls or other. Before we can finally start the operation, we need to add one more piece of information, the seal type and number. See on the right side the transport equipment identified by its license plate. Click on its seal button below and record the type and number of the seal affixed to the transport equipment. Once this final step done, you can record operation start by clicking on Start Operation and confirm. Note that all subsequent countries will be notified of this operation start. When the start has been completed, you will see a success message in a green box at the top. Observe the changes in the operation section, the update of the operation you just started. That you can now explore the details by clicking the operation ID, but also that the start button is now replaced by a check mark showing that it's been started. That the next step will be to terminate it with the button now available. Also see that the progress bar has been updated to reflect the progress of this transport, as you have now started it. Finally, notice the declaration now available in the TIR transport data section, as well as the national references corresponding to the references to the other national customs systems. Before leaving, don't forget that you are required to generate the accompanying documents and to provide it to the driver of the TIR carnet holder. To do so, click on Generate Document button at the top right end. The generated PDF document will immediately be downloaded and possibly displayed depending on your internet browser. You can now print and hand it over to the driver, as required in the Annex 11 of the TIR Convention, before closing it. We hope you found this video helpful and that it will help you in processing TIR operation start as country of departure in the future.